Welcome to Future Online Academy. We are now going on to part 2 of our video looking at the sales ledger account. My example will be on the screen. The following balance appeared in the sales ledger of Nkube on 1 March 2006. D Parsi $960,000 debit. During the month of March, the following transactions took place. March 3 received $900,000 cash from D Parsi in full settlement of his February account. On the 5th, sold goods on credit to D Parsi for $750,000 less 10% trade discount. 7th of March, sent a credit note to D Parsi for unsatisfactory goods worth $75,000 net. Received a check from D Parsi of $600,000. The check received from D Parsi on 20 March was returned by the bank marked refer to drawer. Remember, refer to drawer is written in bold. It means something. You are required to prepare the ledger account of D Parsi and balance it on 31 March 2006. One thing you need to know, the examiner will not tell you if it is a debtor's account or it is a creditor's account. You need to know sales ledger records a trade receivables. That's the keyword. What are you supposed to do? You have been told to pay special attention to dates and details. Our first aspect, remember, we said when you are preparing ledger, sales ledger account, you first write the name of the customer, which is D Parsi account. You put your line. In terms of Cambridge, you'll be given the dollars column. They will give you the dollars column. They will also give you the date column. In terms of Cambridge, you'll be given the details column. In terms of ZIMSEC, they don't give you the format already. The format is not already given. So you have to prepare for yourself. They want to test if you know how to prepare a sales ledger account. D Parsi's account, that's how you prepare it. Just drawn these lines or something like this. Yes, that's how you prepare. First step, you need to do your presentation nicely, and also you'll be, in terms of Cambridge, they give 1 mark for good presentation. D Parsi $960,000 DR. DR, remember I told you yesterday, you first write the year, which is 2006 on both sides. 2006 on both sides. Then you write, remember it's March 1. Balance BD. Our balance BD has been said 960,000 on the debit side. DR means debit. Then we are moving on to during the month. The following transactions took place. If these things are confusing you, please kindly visit part 1 of the video and you understand the introduction of this lesson. March 3 received 900,000 cash from D Parsi in full settlement of his February account. You write March 3. Bank. How much? 900,000. We are not yet done. Why? Remember, we are told that he had an opening balance of $960,000 and he paid $900,000. And read carefully, in full settlement. It means he paid fully on this amount. It means that if he paid $900 and the transaction is saying that it is in full settlement, it actually tells us that there was a discount which was allowed to D Parsi. Discount allowed. In an examination, the examiner won't tell you that there was a discount of 60,000. No, you have to think for yourself. $60,000. Then, moving forward, sold goods on credit to D Parsi for $750,000 less trade, 10% trade discount. You need to know something. You write 5 sales. But, my friend, The examiner has told you that there was less 10% trade discount. We don't record trade discount in these books. You're going to say 750,000 times 10%, you're going to get 75,000. Then you say 750,000 minus 75,000, your balance will be 675,000. Don't ever tempt yourself to record trade discount on this side. We just record discount allowed. We don't record trade discount in the books of account. Moving forward, on the 7th, send a credit note. On the 7th, send a credit note to DPASI for unsatisfactory goods worth $75,000 net. It means that if a customer sends a credit note, remember when we were talking about the introduction in accounting, subsidiary books and their source documents, a returns inwards journal or a sales returns has got a source document of a credit note. It means that there were sales returns. I'm giving you exam coaching here because the examiner won't tell you that sales returns of 75,000. There's nothing like that. You need to be aware of the basics and the introduction in accounting. Accounting is not a guesswork. If you read Harold Randall advanced level book, it said accounting at A level is not by all means easy. And also be familiar with introduction. This is ordinary level stuff, IGC, SCE stuff. But please be familiar with the introduction in accounting. On the 20th, received a check from DPASI of 600,000. According to our format, we record bank on this side, which is 600,000. After recording bank, but on that one, the check received from DPASI on 20 March was returned by the bank, marked refer to drawer. Returned, it means it's a dishonored check. The bank returned the check. It's a dishonored check. We write dishonored check. How much? 600,000. The check which was received on the 20th has been returned by the bank, refer to drawer. Then what do? You compare the sides. You can see this side is greater than this one. It means that our balance CD 31, our balance CD will appear on this side. Then you balance off your account like this. It means that on 2006 April 1, balance BD. You add all these figures. If you add this side, you get 2,235,000, 2,235,000. Then our balancing figure is 600,000 to be 600,000. That's how we record a trade receivable, DPASI account trade receivable. I want to assist you in something. Please be aware that you have got 8 marks. According to Cambridge, there is a +1 for dates. According to IGCSE. ZIMSEC, you may be penalized if they tell you pay special attention to dates and details and you don't see the dates.